All right, this is Mr. V. I'm going to show you how to activate the navigation buttons in your home page. Okay, so this is your home page now. This one here is not working, and this one here is not working, and this one I already set it up, but I'll show you from the beginning. Okay, but let's start by actually setting up this one right here. So for this one here, you first of all you want to make sure that your settings are, I always like to have the settings right here. Let me show you. So the features here, I don't add this one here. I used to, but not anymore. I find it a little easier to navigate when I use when I take that off. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go to edit, and if I want to do the modules here, I'm just going to go see how this comes up right here. So on the right hand side, I go links, and I want this to take me to modules. So you can open here. This is really good because the students will be able to find your stuff right away, rather than browsing. If they go here, they're gonna take a long time to find your stuff. Here you can tell them specifically where you want them to go. So if you do it by weeks, you can set them to that week. I do it by chapter, so I'm just gonna send them to this chapter. When we have the next chapter, then they'll go to this chapter. But for now, we're just gonna go right here. Okay. So that one. Okay, for this one here, there's my syllabus. Okay, right now I don't have any links yet, but I already set this up right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say go to links, and I already have this. I want this to go to the navigations syllabus. So I'm going to open course navigation, and I'm going to go and stick into syllabus right there. For the zoom here, this one is always good to double check. So I can show you. I just fixed it right now, but I'll still show you. So if you go to the top right here and look for that thumbnail, so see right here is a zoom thumbnail. That's why they ask you to put alternative name, because when you're looking for it, you'll want to be able to find it. So all you need to do is making sure that you have this code here, href. That's hyperlink reference, and make sure that this code matches the zoom that you have here. Right, so that's what I did. I just copy and paste it from there. And then also you want to have this one here, target equals to quotation mark underscore blank, and then close the quotation mark. And of course here, this one, making sure that you have a greater than to close it. I don't know if you know a little about programming, but this A tag has to be closed right here too, just to make sure that the hyperlink works. It's an anchor tag. Okay, so I noticed that this works, so I'm just gonna save it. All right, and before that, I actually set up my syllabus already. So if I go here to my syllabus, you can just go to edit, and then I'm gonna just not show course summary in there, so it's blank. All right, so I haven't set it up, so this is a good thing. I haven't set it up yet, but I do want to show you, like if I click here, you see how already it takes me to syllabus. All right, now I need to set up my my norms is already set up. I have a page that is linked to that. Okay, those are my norms. And my zoom, which I know works. Okay, I already fixed it, so that one works. Okay, this one here will take me to the modules. See, it will take me to the modules, and then it will take them to this one. All right, so the one I need is the syllabus right now, and that's great that I haven't done it, so you guys can see how it's done from scratch. So I go to syllabus here. There's nothing there. I'm gonna go to edit. Okay, and I have my syllabus here. This is my syllabus I'm going to use. So you want to go to file, and you want to go publish on the web. You can put this option here, restart, but you want to embed. Okay, so you want to embed. You can restart the slideshow after the slideshow if you want to. So I'm going to just copy here, and then I'm going to go to my syllabus here, and I'm going to go to insert, embed, okay, and there it is. And you want to update your syllabus, and there it is. It's all good to go now. When I click home, it will take me directly to syllabus, and there it is. And